You got your baby? Princess says, this is my little baby. Do you want to go inside? Yeah? Okay, come on. Come on, Anthony, open the door.
Dog knows that she don't like you,
Oh.
She thinks you're gonna take her, baby.
She tucked her away underneath her. Is that your baby, Princess? Is that your babies? You're a good mommy, huh? Yeah, I'm a good mommy. This is my baby. She even gets milk. Oh, so sad. Princess needs a baby. Princess, is that your baby? Princess has never had puppies. And this is her baby. Look, she's got it tucked in underneath her. Trying to nurse them. You see this?
That's the lowest one I got.
She literally just tucked him in there and started crying. Is that your baby, Princess? She says, I never got to have babies, and this is my baby. Do you see this? This is her little baby. It's her little puppy. Is that your little puppy? There. You want to put it back into there?